Folks, want to make a simple text word frequency counter in PyCharm in just 5 minutes? But first, we need to tackle the most frustrating part: environment setup. Lots of people stumble at the first step of learning Python, typing endless commands till their hands ache, getting errors when modifying path, and constant version conflicts. Total newbie turnoff. Don't panic. Today, we'll use the ServBay plus PyCharm combo. No need to remember a single command for environment configuration. It's all graphical, so even newbies can handle it easily. First, let's set up ServBay. Download the latest version from the official website, install it, and open the software. Click Packages in the left sidebar. Find Python. Select a mainstream version, like 3.12, and click Download. The key point is, it will automatically configure the environment variables for you, which is 100 times more reliable than manually modifying path. You'll never have to worry about that Python is not recognized as an internal or external command nonsense again. After downloading, set 3.12 as the default version in Settings, and click Apply in the bottom right corner. Done! The environment is ready in less than 3 minutes. Next, let's get hands-on with PyCharm. Step 1. Open PyCharm. Click New Project. Choose a local folder as the project path, for example, Program, and name the project Test Project. Pay attention to the Python Interpreter section. Directly select 3.12, version we just installed via ServBay. No need to mess with virtual environments. PyCharm will automatically link to it. Step 2. Right-click the project to create a new file named wordcount.py and write some practical code. For example, code to read a txt file and count how many times each word appears. Here's how the code can look. Step 3. Manually create a test.txt in the project folder and write some test text. For example, today the weather is nice. Today is good for learning Python. Python is simple. Then go back to PyCharm, right-click, and select Run to execute the code, and the result will pop up in the bottom console immediately. Today appears 2 times. Weather is nice. Appears 1 time. Clear and straightforward. See? Setting up the environment with ServBay is super easy.